Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to a video of IELTS Listening. Today we are going to solve the IELTS Listening map. Our today's video is from Cambridge IELTS Book 9 Listening Test 2 from question number 17 to 20. So this is the map of a park and the name of the park is Hitchingbrook Park. We can see that the directions are already given on the map: east, west, south and north. If there are no directions on your map, kindly understand the fact that the right side of your map is east, the left side of your map is west, the upper side of your map is north, and the bottom side of your map is south. Then we can see that there are 4 questions from question number 17 to 20. Question number 17 is bird hide. Question number 18 is dog walking area. Question number 19 is flower garden. And question number 20 is wooded area. So the tip for you guys is that there is no need to read the questions in the allotted 30 seconds before the start of the audio. Because when the audio will start, you will listen to all the 4 questions in a sequence. In other words, you can say that the information given about all these 4 questions will be in a sequence. The speaker will first start about the bird hide, and after giving some information about the bird hide, the speaker will tell about the dog walking area, and after this you will listen about flower garden and wooded area. During the audio, the index finger of your left hand should be on the questions like 17, 18, 19 and 20. And your eyes and your pencil should be on the map. And you have to follow the audio to label the map. It means that your mind must be connected with the audio. During listening to the audio, you have to follow the directions. Without following to the directions, the map labeling will become a big problem for you. When the 30 seconds will be given to you to read and understand the map, you have to focus on the map and the directions given in the map. You have to focus on all those areas which are already mentioned on the map. For example, on this map, East Gate, West Gate and refreshments are already given. In the audio, you will listen to something about these 3 areas. And these 3 areas will help you a lot in finding your right answers. So let's start to solve from question number 17 to 20. Question number 17, bird hide. We have to find where is the bird hide on the map in the park. So let's listen to the audio.
And finally, I'd like to tell you about our new wildlife area, Hitchingbrook Park, which will be opened to the public next month. This slide doesn't really indicate how big it is, but anyway, you can see the 2 gates into the park and the main paths.
So in the audio, we have listened to that you can see 2 gates into the park, and these 2 gates are East Gate and West Gate, and the main paths. East Gate is on the eastern side and the West Gate is on the western side. And we can also see the paths on the map of the park. Listen to the audio further.
As you can see, there's a lake in the northwest of the park with a bird hide to the west of it at the end of a path. So it'll be a nice quiet place for watching the birds on the lake.
In the audio, we have listened to that there is a lake in the northwest of the park with the bird hide to the west of it at the end of the park. By the word it, we mean the lake. And you can see the lake is here, which is obviously the northwest of the park, and the bird hide is at the west of the lake, at the end of the path. On the west side of the lake, there is a option A, and option A is also at the end of the path. So A is the bird hide in the park, so we can write A in front of the question number 17. Let's listen to the audio again.
As you can see, there's a lake in the northwest of the park with a bird hide to the west of it at the end of a path. So it'll be a nice, quiet place for watching the birds on the lake.
Question number 18, dog walking area. Listen to the audio.
Fairly close to where refreshments are available, there's a dog walking area in the southern part of the park, leading off from the path.
So in the audio, we have listened to fairly close to where refreshments are available. It means close to the refreshments. And on the map, refreshments are here. Then we have listened to there is a dog walking area in the southern part of the park. If we have idea of directions, this is the southern part of the park. The area which is close to the refreshments and it is also on the southern side of the park is the option I. So I is the dog walking area. Let's listen to the audio again.
Fairly close to where refreshments are available, there's a dog walking area in the southern part of the park, leading off from the path.
Question number 19, flower garden. Listen to the audio.
And if you just want to sit and relax, you can go to the flower garden. That's the circular area on the map, surrounded by paths.
So in the audio, we have listened to, and if you just want to sit and relax, you go to the flower garden. That is the circular area on the map, surrounded by the paths. So we have to find this circular area on the map. And that circular area should be surrounded by the paths. So we can see that circular area is option F and it is also surrounded by the paths. So the answer of question number 19 is F and we can write F in front of question number 19. Let's listen to the audio again.
And if you just want to sit and relax, you can go to the flower garden. That's the circular area on the map, surrounded by paths.
Question number 20, wooded area. Let's see where is the wooded area on the map. Let's listen to the audio.
And finally, there's a wooded area in the western section of the park between two paths. Okay, that's enough from me, so
in the audio we have listened to, and finally there is a wooded area in the western section of the park between two paths. So wooded area is on the western side of the park and it is between two paths. And we can see that on the western section and between two paths there is a option E. So E is the wooded area. So we can write E in front of question number 20. Let's listen to the audio again.
And finally, there's a wooded area in the western section of the park between two paths. Okay, that's enough from me, so...
Well guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of upcoming videos.